made it, guys. These are my sister's sunglasses. They look a little small for my head. What's up, guys? We're here at Zuma Beach. It is picnic time. Jeanette had the brilliant idea of picking up Jersey Mike's. You guys can have a bite. Yeah! That bird back there went into my backpack, took out a bag of chips, and then, I don't know. Oh look, he's trying to go back. He's trying to go back for it. Or, I don't know if that's the same one, but one of them's trying to go back. Anyways, I chased him and he dropped the bag and then I gave him a chip. But yeah, now they're trying to get into my backpack again. What's up, guys? So we had a great time at the beach and now we are outside of, can you see it? Ralph's. Because Jeanette wants to buy stuff to make cheesecake. Jeanette oh jeez, I still have that huge pimple. Don't look at it. Hey. 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 Jeanette loves cheesecake, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, behind us is Del Taco, and they have the cheesecake caramel bites.
Ooh!
Those are so good too.
Yeah.
No. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back home now, back from the beach, back from picking up stuff to make Jeanette's cheesecake. I don't think I told you guys earlier, but we went to the beach. We actually got there later in the afternoon, and I know a lot of people like going to the beach early, like leaving in the morning. We didn't probably get there until probably around 3:30, and it was actually really cool because it's the weekend. Today's Saturday. If you go to the beach on Saturday or Sunday, at least the beach that we went to Zuma Beach, like that beach will be packed in the morning, like trying to get in there and everything. But if you go later in the afternoon, like maybe around 3 o'clock, a lot of the people will have left already, and you can just like cruise right on in there, you know, won't be any traffic, hardly, and you know, you get a spot no problem. So yeah, that's definitely a plus. Like if you got, you know, just do whatever you need to do in the morning, go later in the afternoon, it's totally cool, guys. Like, it's actually pretty nice. And then if you stay long enough, you could probably stay to watch the sunset, which is pretty cool. We didn't, actually, because it started to get a little cold. It was a little cold at the beach. But yeah, I'd recommend going in the afternoon. If you've never tried that, try going in the afternoon. Alright guys, we're just about to get started with making Jeanette's cheesecake. And there you have it, guys, a cheesecake. Just kidding, the cheesecake's in the fridge now. Alright guys, so Janette's cheesecake will be done by tomorrow morning. And I'm down here in my room again, I'm about to go to bed. If this is the first video of mine you've ever seen, I encourage you to go check out my channel. If you like what you see, I do a lot of music, I do daily vlogs, I do the occasional review. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like that would be awesome. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, that really helps me out. So alright guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace, good night.